Sorry, my video ran out there, so I'm just going to show you. So we're using non-toxic paint. So again, we're going to add paint in. I have a small bit put in already, so I'm going to add another little bit. And again, with our glove, we're just going to mix it like we did the last time. Bend it down. As I've said, you could have added the paint in when you're adding in the water if you're just doing one, because as I said, because I've done both food colouring and paint, I couldn't do it to them. So I'm going to give it a quick feel. Okay, so that is pretty much done. Again, might just add a little bit of flour, it's a little bit wet. And a flour actually is a great way of flour is a great way of drying it. So if you find that your Play-Dough's got a bit sticky, just get a bit of flour, again, just put it through, and that will dry out any Play-Dough, even your own Play-Dough at home, great way of drying it out. So Elaine forgot, I'm a bit silly now, I forgot to put an apron on doing this, so maybe you'd wear old clothes, or maybe if you have an apron at home, you'd stick it on to prevent your clothes getting dirty or wet. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. So we're going to take a ball. So as you can see, the Play-Dough is nice and versatile. It's nice and squishy. The more you play with it, the better the Play-Dough goes. So if you play with it a little while, it forms a bit better, so you can do a little bit of rolling. Like so. Or if you had a cutters at home, even from a piece of top of this, show you, so you can cut out, you can do cutting out. So you have a little Play-Dough. You could use anything, so you could roll it out and use anything you have at home. Now, for storing this, Play-Dough is actually it's kept very well, so I was just going to store part of this in a lunchbox, anything at all to store it. As long as it's airtight, it should keep for up to a week or so. As I said, if you get a little bit sticky, just add a little bit of flour and it'll be flying it again. So that's my little tutorial or video on salt Play-Dough, and I hope you're all keeping well, and I hope to see you very soon. Take care everybody, bye!